Hello gorgeous, ready to turn heads with a stunning smoky eye look? Today I'm going to guide you through a simple yet sophisticated smoky eye makeup tutorial that will make everyone fall in love with your style. Perfect for any occasion, this look is both timeless and trendy. And remember, if you want to keep up with more amazing makeup ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.